What it do? Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to the video. I just wanted to throw this quick little intermission at the beginning before the trade recap to just lay the foundation down for my Road to Funded series. Um, I just recently purchased a trading combine through TopStep, which is what you're looking at right here. So I'm going to be focused on that. Trying to at least post once per week. Even if there's no trades taken, I'll talk about some sort of strategy or something along those lines and hold myself accountable. I'm going to record every win, every loss, every single trade is going to be posted right here in this playlist. I'm going to make a little playlist so we can go back and watch it. Um, there's not only to benefit, hopefully, you guys, but it's going to benefit me so I can look back at my trade recaps as journals. And yeah, you guys are going to see all that. So I'm only going to be risking 2% maximum every trade. I absolutely suck. If you saw my last trade recap video, you'll see I have no idea how to work my contracts. And I'm also terrible at trading. But you guys are going to see me. I'm going to freaking ball and succeed. But enough of that. Done wasting your time. On to the trade. What's goody? Welcome back. This is how I made 60 bucks, $58 on the NASDAQ trading on my funded account. And I will tell you how I did it. It's a bit of a weird trading day, and I actually took a pre-market trade that I'm not going to talk about because I only made 13 bucks. I was just sort of scalping around and testing out the MQ, the MNQ contracts, see what the contracts were like. So I really probably made what? I made 58, so I made like 45 bucks. Um, yeah, let's get into it. The bias today was a little undecided. I confused myself and thought we were bearish on the 4 hour, and we were bullish on the 1 hour, um, especially at around 8 o'clock. We broke structure right here. However, I figured we were going to take out the sell side liquidity, especially because we were in like a 1 hour fair value gap, I believe, or some sort of fair value gap we were in. Got disrespected. I believe it was this right here. So I know we were going to come out and sweep that. And then, so we have our hourly fair value gap, scale down. We swept out our sell side first and created a 5-minute fair value gap, which we came in nicely filled. So I scaled down to the 1 minute after said fill, and I waited for our break in structure. So when we got a close below this right here, I actually realized I probably could have taken this right here. However, I did not. Or let's see. Yeah. Took this trade. Yeah, I need to start turning on that setting that shows you when you take the trades because I literally forgot. But anyway, obviously I take the trade around here. It's basically a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. And this is where, so I had full TP here and I had partials set to pull here, and you can see I literally got so edged right there. I mean, come on. And then it just freaking reverses upwards. I shit my pants, but I mean, you don't get more respected than this right here. You just don't. And this is also a 15-minute fair value gap. If I can move this out the way, which it, you know, respected the shit out of. So let's get that back. So anyway, I watch price reverse. I'm pretty sad about it. And then I see me break structure back down right here. I should be marking that for you guys. So we break structure on this candle right here when it closes. And then I kind of just knew price was just going to consolidate after seeing that we had like this move up, sweep liquidity this way, sweep liquidity that way. I was like, okay, whatever. I need to get out of this trade. So I waited until we were in profit, and I did just that and closed position, the full position. And I'm kind of glad I did because minutes on in here now, we've just been going back and forth. But it was looking good. Just a little bit of a random reversal. I had some low resistance liquidity targeted for profits. That would have been like 140 profit, but it doesn't matter. I'm glad I broke the losing streak for the day. I'm out. I'm going to keep it simple. Just to recap, we had undecided bias. For whatever reason, I should have been bullish, but something was telling me bearish, and I wasn't that incorrect. So we go here. You can just see how shitty the price action looks on the 5 minute. Yeah, this is nice fill. And I'm like fairly certain live trading. I scouted out breakage structure. You know what it is? That's exactly what it is. I didn't take the trade right where this starts. That's why I'm confusing myself. Took the trade right in here. Right after this closed. It probably shot right down here, and I took the trade. That's what happened. So it should look more like so. Take this off. So 197. That's where I took the trade. Yeah. That'll be it. You guys have a good one. Deuces.